Hello and welcome to Living Life Natural. Don't forget to subscribe and put the bell notification on, and let's get into the video. 6 proven health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric is an ancient medicine used in Ayurvedic medicine, and is probably the best and most powerful herb on the planet for fighting disease and potentially even reversing different diseases. It is not only a strong anti-inflammatory but also a strong antioxidant, antiviral, antifungal and even anti-cancer. Number 1. Turmeric is a strong anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin in turmeric is an extremely strong anti-inflammatory which fights inflammation at a molecular level. It also helps the body fight off pathogens like bacteria and repair damage. People with, for example, arthritis, respond very well to curcumin as a supplement due to its strong anti-inflammatory effects. Scientists believe that some people with chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, degenerative diseases or fibromyalgia have low-level chronic inflammation in the body. Therefore, turmeric is a strong natural medicine that studies even show are more effective than some anti-inflammatory drugs, such as Advil, and other NSAID medicines, but without side effects. So the next time you feel sick or have a headache, try some turmeric with coconut oil and black pepper and see the effects for yourself. Because the gut cannot absorb turmeric so good, you'll need pepper and some fat, and studies show this increases the absorption rate up to 2000%. Turmeric blocks a molecule named NF-κB in the body which travels into the nuclei of your cells and turns on genes related to inflammation. NF-κB can potentially play a huge role in many chronic diseases, by suppressing molecules that play major roles in inflammation. Number 2. Turmeric combats obesity. A study that was published by the journal Biofactors showed that curcumin, the active compound within turmeric, can help reduce proliferation, also known as growth of the fat cells. The researchers found that the anti-inflammatory properties were effective at suppressing and preventing the inflammatory processes that happens when you become obese, and by doing that it helps to reduce obesity and its bad health effects. Number 3. May slow down or even prevent blood clots. Many people around the world suffers from different problems in their body due to blood clots. Blood clots forms in the body when a process where blood platelets concentrate in one area and eventually clot it. Curcumin is proved through studies by both lab and animal studies that the use of curcumin from turmeric reduced instances of platelet aggregation significantly, and potentially, it can even reduce the risk of a clot forming in the first place. The theory of why curcumin has anti-clotting properties is by the way it affects the biosynthesis of thromboxanes, one of 4 eicosanoids. This same mechanism is one of the reasons why turmeric is such a strong anti-inflammatory substance. Curcumin modifies an internal process known as eicosanoid biosynthesis, and eicosanoids consist different molecules within the body that are involved in the natural inflammation process. Number 4. Turmeric reduces depression symptoms. Even though little to no studies have been conducted on humans, dozens of researchers have proven that the turmeric benefits include being especially effective at treating and reducing depression symptoms naturally in animals. The way turmeric helps in depression is by the way curcumin impacts and affects the neurotransmitter function, through the brain-derived neurotrophic factor called BDNF. In 2014, the journal Phytotherapy Research published the mind-blowing results of an innovative study. The study included 60 volunteers diagnosed with major depressive disorder called MDD, and they split the group in 3. One group got curcumin as treatment and the other fluoxetine, which is also known as Prozac. and the third got both turmeric and Prozac, and the study did not only show that all patients tolerated curcumin very well, but they also discovered that curcumin was equally as effective as Prozac. And the group who took both Prozac and Tumeric had a little higher improvement, but it was nothing that was statistically significant. This study proves first clinical evidence that curcumin may be used as a really effective and extremely safe treatment for a patient with mild depression. 2 other studies was made on this topic. One with 56 males and females, and they compared curcumin to a placebo. Half a group got placebo, and the other half got curcumin, and the other one with 108 males. And both studies concluded that curcumin is stronger than the placebo. At the same time, antidepressants only have about a 10 to 20% rate of effectiveness in studies when you remove the placebo effects. And that is a pretty bad percentage. Number 5. Turmeric boosts skin health. Turmeric is a strong antioxidant and has been proven effective in the treatment of several different skin conditions. The benefits for the skin from using turmeric includes more luster and glow from the skin, and even speeding up the healing process of wounds. Reduces acne scarring by calming the pores to decrease acne and controlling psoriasis flares. You can search up a recipe for a turmeric face mask. But be aware that turmeric stains the skin very badly, and you can even have an allergic reaction, so try with just a little in the beginning. One study made that included 814 participants even suggested that turmeric paste could cure 97% of scabies cases within just 3 to 15 days. Number 6. Turmeric can potentially prevent and treat certain cancers. There is numerous of different studies on cancer cells that shows curcumin does have anti-cancer effects. The study showed that curcumin was able to kill cancer cells, and even prevent them from growing in the first place. The cancer cells it seemed to work best for was bowel cancer, stomach cancer, skin cancer, and breast cancer cells. Make sure to include turmeric in your weekly diet to benefit from this super healthy herb, and don't forget to like and share this video with someone you care for. Want more facts and benefits? Check out our other videos. That's all for now. Take care everybody.